course it fucking flies. You click out of it. No, it's not. You're gonna. Very live. Okay, great. How do I mute myself? Okay. Hello everyone, Oksana here. Viktoriya, can you check the audio is working? I'm not sure if I had to mute myself because there's a little delay in the video. It looks like it's working. Is it audio working? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, great. Yeah, so if you're watching this live, say hello to us. Let us know that you can hear us well, because sometimes the sound doesn't work. So let us know in the comments that you can hear us. Yeah, this is Oksana. I'm here with my sister Viktoriya live. And if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. So what I want to talk about in this video is if you're 40 years old or older and you want to feel like you're 20 years old, or if you have pain or fatigue or headaches, or you have hair loss, or you're actually struggling with about losing weight, even though you exercise a lot. And if you want to add quality years to your life and those that you love, as well as increase your longevity, then this video for you. So just a quick introduction. My sister and I, we are twins, and we also peer-reviewed published immunology scientists. And over the last decade, we helped hundreds of people reverse chronic diseases. And if you haven't seen how we help them, you can simply go to this Facebook page and go through our client videos, photos, and see the type of results our clients have seen in just 30 days of us working together one-on-one. Yeah, we mostly post longer testimonials on YouTube because on Facebook, we post reels, which is shorter videos. You're not allowed to post longer videos, but on YouTube, that's where you will see majority of our client testimonials that's longer than 10 minutes. So what is that we do is we help people, we teach you how to create healthy cells in the body and increase your cellular function without supplements or complicated protocols, because we focus on eliminating the 80% of things that you're doing that are not serving you and focus on 20% of things that are actually going to matter at helping you optimize your health. So if you're someone who's already sick and you just want to get better, or maybe you're someone who just wants to reverse aging, then and you want to learn how to become superhuman, then this is the people that we work with and we help them. So in this video, we want to talk about that not all food people eat is stored as fat. Some foods we eat is stored to create healthy new cells in the body. And we help people accelerate cellular repair and increase longevity, as well as add quality years to your life and people that you love that are important to you, all without using supplements or complicated protocols. So the most important thing that you need to understand is that calorie model is not very helpful at all, and it's not correct. Yeah, so with calorie models, many people assume that everything you eat will be stored as fat or burned as energy, which is not true. And this assumption is incorrect because we don't actually burn or store everything we eat. Yeah. Some things we eat burn for fuel, and other things we eat becomes part of our cells. So they help you to create healthy new cells, repair the damage that caused by inflammation. So, for example, we work with clients, we tell them exactly what they have to eat in order to improve metabolism, cellular function, and cellular communication. So those foods get immediately absorbed into the cells. That's why we help people with things like nerve damage and autoimmune diseases that affect nervous system, because we teach you what you have to do and eat to create healthy nerve system and even stop like diseases that affect your brain degeneration. So, and improve your memory and focus, as well as not only reverse your joint pain or inflammation. So that's why what people eat, it doesn't always just turn into energy or fat. Some things are converted into hormones, immune cells, cell membranes, and that's what exactly we teach in a program when we work with clients. So another example, people think, in order to lose weight, I just have to cut my calories, but that's not true. It's completely ridiculous, because you could eat 1,000 calories, let's say, for example, broccoli, and 1,000 calories of donuts. That's not the same, right? Because donuts, it's just donut and flour and fat and sugar. It's all unhealthy. But 1,000 calories of broccoli includes
complex set of micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals, and antioxidants that support cellular health. And we tell people exactly what they have to consume based on their health symptoms and their health goals. So of course, I'm using this as an example. None of our clients have to eat broccoli in order to heal. This is just an example, the difference between that not all foods are created equal, okay?
Yeah, so sometimes people eat something or they eliminate all the foods from the diet and they're just not eating enough to create health in your cells. Because even if you eliminate everything from your diet, you might feel better temporarily, but it's not gonna help you repair the damage because you're just not eating enough in order to create health in your cells. So just under eating, it often gives people temporary results, such as doing juice fasting or they do intermediate fasting. They feel better temporarily, but then once they start eating, all these symptoms come back.
Hi, Julia, it's good to see you.
So once again, if you're watching this video, say hello to us and let us know if you have any questions. We usually try to go live once a week, and sometimes we go live on our YouTube channel. We post different contents on different channels.
Yeah, so people make decisions based on their own preferences and taste instead of doing what they need to do to get results. And the reason why people quit different programs that are very long, like 2-year long programs, is because they don't see results, so they don't think it's worth it. While majority of our clients are seeing results in a few weeks, so they feel motivated to keep going. Plus, people we work with, they get one-on-one guidance and support as well as education. So we provide so much support and education to help you become successful at achieving your goal. And the reason why people ask, I don't want to do this program until I know exactly what I have to do or eat is because they don't really care about results. They want to feed their addiction or decide if it makes sense to them. But how can you decide whether something makes sense to you if you're not an expert in reversing diseases? People come to us for help is because they don't want to be making decisions for what they have to do. We help them identify what they have to do to eliminate pain as fast as possible, but as well as increase longevity. Because we also have clients who just come to us and they want to prevent development of diseases, not just reverse them. So the question we get is, how do I know a doctor is giving me the right advice about my diet? You have to look to see if they actually have results that you want, as well as are their clients getting results in 30 days, not years. And there are things that are popular nowadays, they're not the right things. There was a medical doctor who had millions of followers on TikTok. She was doing plastic surgery and making dance videos. And people went to her because she was popular. So they trusted her. And however, she got people butched and actually her license was removed. So that's why there's a lot of people who are very good about going viral and making viral videos on topics that are popular, but they're not good at helping people recover their health. A lot of doctors on Instagram can also buy followers. They can have 30K followers, but they have no testimonials at all. And you have to see the evidence that their method actually helps people get their health back rapidly, not just years, right? Because most things that are focused on these days is IV therapies, different types of therapies, but people do those therapies for the rest of their life. So it's more like managing your disease rather than learning what you have to do to get your health back without having to continue paying for IV therapies or supplements, okay? So we have a class coming up. Make sure that you sign up to a newsletter because we're going to send you a class about supplements and we're going to do live and it's going to be on Zoom and you have to register for that class. We're going to talk about the dangers of overdosing on supplements and the 3 supplements we actually recommend for everyone. And make sure that you sign up for that class. And if you want the link, just comment on this video, okay? So that's why the point of this video is that foods that people eat can provide the nutrients that you need for cellular health and your metabolism, as well as your immune health. And excess nutrients simply pass through our stools. And with supplements, people have been overdosing on them and getting side effects such as organ problems, liver issues, and kidney issues, as well as nervous system issues. That's why you can eat excessive amounts of certain foods and still increase your metabolism, improve your health without any exercise, and promote rapid healing without actually gaining fat. And that's what we want, the point we want to make in this video. So that's what we empower our clients with, is educating them how to have an extraordinary health and rapidly reverse inflammation, and how you can actually eat more calories and get healthier and leaner without the exercise. Okay? And that's a science behind it. We also teach the science behind what we do and provide the support and adjustments to your recovery plan based on the struggles and issues that you're having. Okay?
Another important point that we do that in a program that we teach you how to maintain your results long term, because it's really easy to get distracted or do something short term. You could do something for a few weeks and then you go back to doing things that got you sick. So that's why in a program, we want to make sure that you learn how to maintain your results. And once you got the results, it's a lot easier to just sustain your health compared to somebody who's really sick and they're just trying to heal. So that's why it's really different process. And it's really important to learn what do you have to do next after you heal, so you don't get sick again. Because many programs out there is it could be like a detox program, detox your kidneys, detox your liver, but then people don't know what to do after they heal. So that's why they relapse or they get the symptoms back. While our clients who
They
follow
have
a
to attend the
program,
classes too, because we teach classes with our clients. So if they pay attention, they really understand it, and they know what they have to do to continue the recovery. And that's why, for that reason, we started, our program was running for 6 to 8 weeks, and we started offering longer support, so people just have continued education and make sure that they are actually maintaining their results. Hi, Mike. Good to see you. And Julia asked, is gastritis usually a long process to heal, or how often do you experience SIBO related to gastritis? So we had many people who had different types of gastritis, and some of them eliminated their symptoms within 30 days. Other people who had gastritis for decades. We had a client who had gastritis for 20 years, and she could not even eat anything without having acid reflux. And it took her 6 months to get her symptoms under control. And she also had metaplasia, and her metaplasia reversed as well. So that's what it's important to continue implementing what you learn in a program, because it's going to make sure that you don't get sick again. Of course, the same thing goes with diabetes. People can work very hard to reverse their diabetes, but if they stop taking care of themselves, start eating junk food, they can become diabetic again. The same thing goes with diseases. They can do a really good job taking care of themselves, do everything they need to reverse the disease. But of course, people can still get sick again if they go back to the lifestyle that got them sick in the first place.
but also gastritis can be caused by different issues. People can take antibiotics, they get gastritis. So it could be autoimmune gastritis, so they have antibodies. So you need to reverse your labs. That's how you know, not just your symptoms. So it also depends how long you had it, but it's really, so everything people do, even if you're doing things that helping you, it can help you heal faster. Because a lot of times people feel like, and all the programs they tried didn't work for them and they feel bad about it, but it's actually, they could have been a lot worse if they didn't try other programs. So that's why everything you do can still improve your health, even if it's not 100%.
Light in your face. Okay. Yeah. So one thing that we get asked is, people tell us, even our clients, they wish they found us earlier, but it's very rare for people to find the right solution right away. Regardless whether you are in your health or in business, you're never gonna find the solution right away. You're gonna be extremely lucky if you're gonna do one thing and it's gonna work for you. And the same thing goes in business. We have invested hundreds of thousands of dollars, more than $500,000 into a business, working with different people, learning from different people as well. So we continue investing into not only our health, but also our education, and it never stops for us. So for us to find just automatically a solution that's magically gonna give us the life or health that we want, it's not gonna happen. In addition, to learn what we teach our clients, it took several years. We have spent a lot of time not only educating ourselves, working with people, investing so much time and energy that we never had time to do anything else. Therefore, consider yourself lucky if you find a solution that works for you right away, but it hardly ever happens for anybody, whether you're looking for a solution for your health or whether you're looking for a solution in other areas in your life. You always continue and have to understand that failure is part of the process, and not all the right things gonna work for you right away. Not everything's gonna work for you right away, but it's a continuous effort on your part if you actually want to be successful. Okay, and you have to remember how many times Edison failed. People actually fail right before they're about to have a breakthrough, and they quit. So for example, they try one program, they pay 5K or 10K, and they say nothing works for me. But how many times we have had to pay to continue doing this service? If we've done that, we would not be doing this work. So that's why a lot of people fail or quit right before they have a breakthrough. So you have to understand that it's okay if things have not worked out. You just have to maybe try to make better decisions, and make sure that the person that you're working with is legit, because a lot of people can tell you they can help you, but they don't have results. Okay, so that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. Viktoriya, anything else you want to add?
No.
It just keeps going. So thanks everyone for joining. And if you want to see a link to the class that we're going to be teaching about people overdosing on supplements, and comment under below, and we'll reach out to you and give it to you once it's available. And Tammy asked about rheumatoid arthritis. We helped so many people with rheumatoid arthritis. We have videos with our clients here on this page, how we help them. So you can simply go through the videos or the photos and see how we help them. Most people watch our videos, but they don't go to our website. They don't go to our past videos. It's very clearly that we had hundreds of clients that we helped with rheumatoid arthritis. You can easily find them just by scrolling through our past videos or photos, and you can see exactly the type of improvements our clients have shared that they've seen with arthritis. And we had clients who actually were on medications. They got off of them completely off meds in 6 weeks, who had arthritis, because their symptoms were gone and they no longer needed to take medication. So if you need specific help, you can also reach out to us. We'll send you what you need. But you can simply find whether or not we can help you just by going through our past videos. And I appreciate you, Mike, joining, that you're sharing that you too are my breakthrough. I really appreciate that. And thanks everybody for tuning in. If you have specific questions, you can send us a message. Whether if you're not sure whether or not we can help you, you can reach out, or that's the best way, just reach out to us, okay? And we hope you're gonna have a wonderful weekend. Well, tomorrow's Friday, so weekend.